C# method overriding. What is method overriding in C#? Method overriding in C# allows a derived class to provide a new implementation of a method defined in its base class. The base class method must be marked with virtual, and the derived class method uses the override keyword to change its behavior. What is method overriding in C#? Runtime polymorphism, dynamic binding, in C# occurs when a method call is resolved at runtime based on the object's actual type, not the reference type. It is achieved using method overriding with virtual and override keywords. This allows the same method call to behave differently for different derived class objects. Example of method overriding. The code in next slide demonstrates an example of method overriding. In the given example we have the fruit class, which is the parent class of two child classes, like mango and watermelon. The fruit class has one virtual method, taste, that is overridden in two derived classes, mango and watermelon. The given code is an example of method overriding. We have a fruit class that contains a virtual taste method. The mango class inherits from the fruit class and overrides the taste method to provide its own implementation. In fruit class, taste is an virtual method of fruit base class. In mango class, taste is an override method of the fruit base class but has characteristics in the mango subclass. What are advantages of method overriding? Allows method behavior to be decided at runtime based on the object type. Enables reuse of base class code while allowing customization in derived classes. Lets derived classes provide their own specific behavior for inherited methods. Makes code easier to extend and modify without changing existing base class code. What are disadvantages of method overriding? Makes code harder to understand due to multiple method implementations. Involves slight runtime cost because method calls are resolved at runtime. Tracing which overridden method is executed can be confusing. Poorly overridden methods may break base class logic or expectations. Summary. In method overriding you can implement the base class behavior in derived classes. This flexibility and polymorphism make it a powerful feature for designing object-oriented programs in C#. Thank you for watching this C# method overriding tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more useful C# and .NET videos.